Looking for a reliable wiring harness to upgrade your Jeep's audio system? A high-quality harness with OEM-grade terminals can make all the difference. It ensures the most secure connection between your amp and head unit, preventing signal loss and interference. If you want your sound system to perform flawlessly, this is where it starts. I recently swapped out the factory head unit on my 1998 Jeep ZJ, which came equipped with a premium Infinity sound system. I chose a budget-friendly Kenwood replacement, but quickly ran into a snag. The remote turn-on wire for the amplifier didn't match the factory setup. It was confusing at first, but with some trial and error and a bit of online research, I figured it out. What really stood out was the harness quality. The OEM terminals fit perfectly, providing a rock-solid connection that gave me peace of mind. No loose wires, no static, just clean, crisp sound. That kind of reliability is crucial when upgrading your vehicle's audio system, especially if you want to avoid future headaches. As someone who installs car audio professionally, I know how frustrating it can be when the right parts aren't available. When I needed a harness for a Jeep Liberty with a factory amplifier, Amazon came through with fast shipping and the exact part one required. Getting the right harness quickly saved me time and kept my project on track. If you're upgrading your Jeep's audio system, don't settle for generic parts that might compromise your sound quality. Choosing an OEM quality harness means you get secure connections, easy installation, and a system that performs as it should. It's a small investment that pays off in reliable, powerful sound. Worth a look if you want hassle-free installation and solid audio performance. Whether you're replacing a head unit or adding an amp, this harness fits seamlessly and works flawlessly with your factory wiring. It's designed to match your vehicle's specifications, so you don't have to guess which wire goes where. If that's you, consider grabbing this harness for your Jeep upgrade. It's about making your sound system better without the guesswork or frustration. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference a quality harness makes in your audio setup.